What I've learned through this journey is like, there are so many moms at home just like me that are chasing around their kids, their hair's thrown up, they don't even like have time to put their makeup on. I'm so thankful that I have shown up in this way day in and day out, and I've attracted other moms and just given them hope that they can do something from home as well. Hi, my name's Carissa. I am a wife and a mom to 2 boys, and I am an online entrepreneur who puts together online courses helping others make extra income in the online space. I'm from South Dakota. There's really nothing special about this Midwest mom besides her determination to show up day in and day out and get the job done. I make passive income 2 different ways: through Amazon product review videos that go directly onto Amazon's website. And when a customer on Amazon's website watches the video and orders, I earn commissions directly through Amazon. So I started doing that, saw a lot of success with it. I actually had a friend ask me about it. She's like, what is this? So I started explaining it to her. She's like, you need to teach other people about this. So I leaned on my 7 years of mentorship experience from network marketing and knowing how to take something that's complicated and break it down into simple steps for others to follow. So then I launched my Amazon product review starter kit, teaching others how to get through the 2-step approval process to get into this program as well. To see that you made your first commission, whenever that first commission rolls in, it's always like, oh my goodness, yes, this is 100% legit. So excited to see that continue to go up, and thank you for sharing that win with me. So in October of 2016, I joined a network marketing company, and at that time, I didn't even know what personal development was. Like, that was literally a foreign word to me. People were talking about it. I'm like, what is this? They were like, oh, the things you think about become your reality in life. And I literally was like, hold up, you people are crazy. Like, I am from South Dakota. Like, no, like, you work hard and that is the outcome of your life. Like, you put in the work and that's what you get out. Well, I decided to open my mind up to it because I firmly believe that success leaves clues. And so I was like, okay, if all these successful people are saying that personal development is really important, then like, I'm gonna look into it. So I started looking into and reading books on money mindset and really starting to understand like the concept of abundance. When I decided to get started with my own digital product, I was doubting myself if I could actually do this. But I firmly believe if it was not for my mindset and the money mindset work I've done, like I would not be where I'm at. You have to increase your mindset of like what is normal with the money threshold. When I became a mom, my priorities just shifted. I no longer wanted to be on a weekly call every Sunday night at 8 p.m. and I really valued freedom of time. And so I was really searching for something that was going to be more on my time. I had seen people posting about like digital products, and I was like, okay, if other people are doing this, I think I can put this course together. The thought of all of it, when you look into it online, people are saying you need to build an email list and then you need to have a workflow set up after you gain their email list. And I'm like, how do you even get someone's email to start with? Like, what do you mean I have to build an email list? And so I definitely had a ton of self-doubt. But when you do the personal development, it's like, okay, I would just look at someone and be like, okay, she seems like a normal mom like I am. And if she's doing this thing online, like, I can figure it out too. And what I love about Stan is someone like myself, who I consider negative 50% tech savvy. It's literally everything in one. Like, I can literally put up my Stan store as my link in bio, and not only can it be my link in bio, but I also can sell my products on there. Everything that I need is all in one spot. It is so simple to use. As a mom of 2 boys and also throw in 2 dogs, our life is crazy busy. And so it is go, go, go all the time. We are out in the backyard, by the cornfield, chasing the kids, letting the dogs play fetch, like taking them for walks, doing all of the things. And so it is so awesome to have something on those crazy busy days, selling in the background, making passive income for our family so that we truly can be present as a family and enjoy those simple moments of playing fetch with the dogs and going for walks. When I got started in this, the bigger dream for my family, truly to start with, was just being debt-free. So it started with financial freedom and being able to get out of debt. And once then we were out of debt, it was like, okay, now I do want to be able to splurge and like get my nails done and do little things like that, or be able to walk into a store and buy something brand new for myself and not feel like I have to go shop at the secondhand store. Like, now, obviously, our dreams are bigger than what they used to be, like, but like, it didn't start there, right? It has allowed us to start dreaming bigger. It's allowed us to become better people. Throughout this journey, in order to scale to the levels that we have wanted to scale to, it takes a totally different, becoming a different person. So I always like to say that the disposition comes before the position. What does that mean? That in order to get to a level of success that you want to get to, you first have to act as that person. You first have to become that person. You have to go about your day as if that person would.
I want to show you some of my journal entries from last year when I first got started with this. I think it's so important to journal as if it's already happened. So like literally April 18th of 2023, I launched my product at the beginning of April. So I literally was 10 days into my journey. I hadn't even like made many sales at all. And I said, thank you for TikToks that take off and passive income of over $500 per day from digital products. Thank you for the impact I get to make on a daily basis. Thank you for strengthening our marriage daily. Thank you for the consistent 5-figure months.
So it truly is just such a passion of mine to help the everyday mom and make extra income online, because I remember when, getting my nails done was such a big splurge. Like $50 to get your nails done, like that's a big deal. But I also believe like moms work so hard and they give everything to their children, and they're up at 6 a.m. and up multiple times throughout the night, and like they literally just pour so much out to their children that like being able to help fill the everyday mom's like cup a little bit with like her own thing just brings me so much joy. This is the thing, is if you are dabbling in the online entrepreneurship world, trying to put together a course about something that you're passionate about, like there is a reason, right? Like there is a reason that you are called to do this thing. And so go all in on it. Anyone who's ever made it to being successful, whatever that success looks like for you, didn't get there without meeting those trials and picking themselves back up. I mean, you guys, I have failed my way forward so many times. I have failed, picked myself back up, tried again. Failed, picked myself back up, try again. The amount of personal development and books that I have done to like literally rewire the way that I think about money, the way that I think about leadership, all of those different things, like it's so much over the last 8 years. So just my encouragement to you is to never compare your chapter 1 or your chapter 10, whatever chapter you're on, to someone else's chapter.
You can't feel it.
What are you?
Truthfully, I am just a normal mom from South Dakota that had a bigger dream for her family.